guys, it's me Sinto. So a lot of fish room works is going on here, and also there is a neighbor's pond where they do the pisciculture. It has been set up for about 2 years now. I will show you around it and how it is going, what are the benefits of it. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel for upcoming videos, and also share and like this video if you like it. So this is the border of my land area. On the other side of it is the land of my neighbors, and they have built a pond there. If you have been watching my videos, I have shown you earlier they have set up a fish pond about 2 years back, and let's go there and I will do some talking about this pond. So this is the pond my neighbors built. It's been about 2 years now, more than 2 years, and you can see that it is still going on. They have put the net on the top so that the tree leaves don't enter inside it, but some of them are hanging down right at the far end area. Also, it is completely locked. Need access to get into more closer look. But yes, you can see, I don't think you can see in this camera, but there are some tilapia fish inside it. They do sell some of them mainly in the rainy seasons or during the summer seasons. So yeah, it is profitable to some extent. You also get subsidy from the government to do such what we call fish culture inside the pond. They have lots of land around here, so if you sell the fishes periodically, yeah, it is somewhat profitable. I tried feeding one of the tilapia fish to the turtles. I thought that it will not go after it because they are big fishes, but they do attack them. They can eat them piece by piece. This is the backyard of my house, and as you can see, I have emptied some of the muds that were here. This was completely filled up to that top. I have sold some of the muds and got some bunch of money. So I'm going to build a fish room or the office room there with a big aquarium. The work is still going on, but due to some foundation problem, it is on hold. But it will resume very quickly, but the cost will be a little bit high this time. And here some big rocks are there. To get rid of this rock, either you have to break it down into smaller pieces, like that one, use it for fencing or for building retaining walls. If that is got emptied, this area will be completely flat and you can grow vegetables or build a big pond there, koi ponds. There are lots of ideas, but the fund is very low to build up that idea. Also, some teak woods have been chopped down. One teak log is worth around 70,000 Indian rupees or somewhere around $1,000 in India. There the teak woods are laid down. So you can see these all were lying here, chopped down. One teak wood is also standing there. As you can see, that has to be cut down because if strong wind blows, which usually does during the raining seasons, this tree can fall on the house and create more problems. So if any teak wood buyers are there nearby, you can buy the teak wood from me. For this size teak wood, it cost around 70,000 or 65,000 Indian rupees. Price is negotiable. If you know any teakwood suppliers or buyers, please share this video to them, and it will help me out to sell that teakwoods. So this is the new fish room building here. The work is on hold due to the foundation problem. I told them to build a strong foundation from the beginning, but they didn't do that. There were some inexperienced builder here, so I got rid of them and new builders are coming in to build the rest of the project. So my 55-gallon grower tank was leaking, so I have taken it out, separated all the glass. I will be rebuilding it completely new. Also I will be building a new stand for it, and all the discus fishes I have transferred to this drum I had. It is completely filled up and heater and filter is attached. So for a couple of days all the fishes will be in this drum. Transferred all the java ferns I had to the breeding tanks. Everything is going well here. These discussers are listed for sale on my website. If you are willing to buy, you can check them out. The links is in the video description. And blue diamond discus is there at the back. It had about 8 discus fish babies, all died due to some problem. I transferred one of these discus fish into this tank, and that fish ate bited all the discus fish babies, and most of them died. Only one is left somewhere around the back. There it is. This discus and the one baby at there it is. I'm making the top lid canopy for the 55-gallon grower tank. It is almost complete, but lot of precision works are required, like the gaps have to be trimmed out, so that using this thing, so that it just fits very nice onto the top. Lot of work is there. All my discus fishes will be in the drum I shown you earlier, and after fixing or rebuilding my grow out tank, as I've shown you earlier, I have turned apart all the glasses and I will be rebuilding it because it was having a leak from one of the side, and when I took apart, all the glasses came out. So I will be gluing them again, and till then these discus fishes will be in this drum. This is my new cat. I found it from one of the nearby KFC store, and it was hiding behind some AC ventilator, so I took him to my home, fed him well. Now he is very healthy. He plays a lot. I like this cat very much. His name is Jimmy, like the Jimmy in the GTA 5. That's it for this video. If you like it, give it a like and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to watch the upcoming videos. Some of the new projects are coming on my channel, so make sure you turn on the notification to get the updates, to get notification about them. There is also top list videos that most people watch on my channel. You can go and watch them. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care. See you in the next one.